Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Minecraft for your PC and laptop. So let's get started. In order to do this, what you have to do is open Minecraft in your web browser. You can open it in any web browser you like. For my case, I'm using this. Go to Minecraft official website, and then what you have to do is click on your account and sign in your account. After signing in your account, you have to click on sign in with Microsoft, or if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can just create a new one. Once you're done signing in, you just have to click on games, and then you have to click on go to downloads. Then just click on download for Windows, or if you have any other device, you can check here: Android, iOS, Raspberry Pi, Windows 10, 11, Mac, and other things. So yes, just download it according to your device support. After this download, just double click on the download installer and then click here to log into the Microsoft Store. Just click on this, and then once you complete login, just check this box and click on install. After the installation completes, this dialog box will come in front of you. Welcome to Minecraft, installation is done, time to play. Just click on let's go. Once you do this, it will again ask for sign in with Microsoft. Remember, you have to sign in with the same account you signed up before. So yes, just go ahead and do that. Once you do this, this Minecraft launcher would be opened, and then you have to click on Minecraft Java Edition, and then you have to click on buy now, and then you have to select the edition you want to purchase, and then just click on checkout. And once you click on checkout, you have to click on get started, add a way to pay, add any card you like from here, and add all the details. Once you confirm the payment, it will be added to your library, and from here you can start playing. Just click on play, it will download the game files, and once it's done, the game would officially be yours. So yes, this is how you can get Minecraft and play Minecraft together with your friends. So yes, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.